Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show how to remove plague or tartar using baking soda, coconut oil, lemon and salt. This is what we call bicarbonate of soda. It's also known as baking soda. And this baking soda removes plague without damaging the enamel. It protects against mineralization. Mineralization can be seen as a chemical way that removes calcium from tooth enamel. So you have to add 1 spoonful of baking soda. 1 spoonful of baking soda. Like I said, baking soda works against it because it has high pH that balances the pH level between the mouth and protect against enamel. We also have to add 1 spoonful of coconut oil. Coconut oil fights dead bacteria in the mouth and prevents tooth decay, fights against all gum diseases. That's why we use it. And also we are still going to make use of other ingredients. The one we have added now is just 2. Then add 2 spoonfuls of salt. Salt contains calcium, which helps for strong teeth. That's why we consume salt a lot. We can add it in our meal, and now we have to use it on our teeth. Another ingredient is lemon. Lemon is very good, but it contains acid. We have to make only 2 spoonfuls of it. So lemon helps to whiten teeth because it contains citric acid and vitamin C. Like I said, it's just only 2 spoonfuls of this lemon juice. We are not going to make use of more, just 2 spoonfuls of it, and it will be okay. These ingredients we have just mixed works perfect in removing plague from teeth. Plague can also be called tartar, and for us to do this, you have to mix these ingredients very well. Mix all together, mix it perfectly well, very well, but make sure you get some good ingredients for all those things, like the one we have used here. After you have mixed this thing, then you have to use it on your teeth. You have to use it on your teeth. Just apply it on your teeth like this, like the way I'm showing you. Just apply it there. Use it on your upper and lower jaw. See the way I did? Just apply it that place. This plague is soft sticky film that builds up outside the teeth and along the gum line. Please do not close your mouth when you are applying it so that it won't spoil because of your saliva. Do not close your mouth. Just continue to apply it. Use it on your upper and lower jaw, like the way I'm showing you on this video. Do not close your mouth. Just leave it like that. So we carry it for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before you can close your mouth or anything. This plague, it always occur at the gum line. Carry it like that for 5 to 10 minutes, like the way I'm showing you. I'm not perfect. I'm just showing you in this video. I might close my mouth, but when you want to do it, when you want to remove it, this is how you are going to use it. Do not mind, I just close my mouth, but I'm just showing you the example. Just follow the step and it will work for you. You will use it for 7 days, or let me say a week upwards.